Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of House of Abhinandan Lodha, newly launched biggest plotted township named as Aero Estate located in Khopoli, Mumbai. Now in this teaser we will be discussing about its project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting, do you know that what is Housey? So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, बट हम हाउसी में आपको डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं बिल्डर्स के साथ. हाउसी में लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं. फिर यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए and book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. Aero Estate Khopoli, Mumbai will be constructed on 50 acres of land parcel consisting of multiple size of plots. Coming to the location part, this project is located in Khopoli, Mumbai. Mumbai-Pune Expressway is just 10 minutes away from the project. Khandala and Lonavala is 15 minutes away. Navi Mumbai International Airport is 30 minutes away from this project. Trans Harbour Link Road is 40 minutes away. Imagicaa Theme Park is 7 minutes away from this project. Now coming to the amenities part, in this project you will be getting ultra luxurious amenities like a swimming pool, gymnasium, forest, cafe, garden, clubhouse, kids play area and many more. Now let's discuss the plot size. As I mentioned, you will be getting the multiple sizes of plots like a first plot is 1506 square feet, second plot is 1784 square feet and third plot is 2000 square feet. Now let's discuss the major USP of the project. You will be getting 7/12 in your name as the ownership will be transferred to your name, unlike other plotted township जहाँ पे ये नहीं होता क्योंकि the land is in government lease. Here there is no time boundary, means you will be having complete freedom to construct your villas like in 1 year, 2 year or else in 5 years. Lodha Brand Trust. You can rest assured that your plots are in hands of Lodha. So your plots are safe in terms of legal condition and there will be no encroachment as the whole township will be managed by Lodha itself. Excellent appreciation as this is a tourist place and it is a renowned location for weekend getaway. Additionally, this location is 1 hour drive from Mumbai and Pune. Now let's discuss the booking process. Project pre-booking window is open now. Clients can inquire about the project. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will show you and guide you about the actual location and will share the payment and pricing scheme. And then if clients like the project, then they can apply for the application amount that is 45,000 as EOI. And this token will have multiple benefits like exclusive pre-launch discount, preference in flight selection, and yes, this token will be 100% refundable. So everyone, this was a teaser of the House of Abhinandan Lodha, newly launched biggest plotted township named as Aero Estate located in Khopoli, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.